Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Lecturio Nursing app is and how it's positioned. Lecturio Nursing is a medical education and NCLEX preparation app designed for nursing students, based on its official website and App Store listings. The app provides video lectures, practice questions, and structured study resources aimed at helping users prepare for nursing exams like the NCLEX. It is positioned as an all-in-one learning platform that combines coursework support with exam-focused preparation tools. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. According to official information, the app includes expert-led video lessons that cover core nursing topics and concepts. It also offers a question bank with NCLEX-style questions, including newer NGN formats, which are designed to simulate real exam conditions. Learning paths and study plans are included, which may guide users through a structured preparation process based on their goals. Adaptive review features are mentioned, which could help identify knowledge gaps and focus study efforts on weaker areas. The platform also includes concept pages and concise summaries that aim to reinforce understanding of key medical topics. Some sources mention exam simulations and performance analysis tools, which may help users assess readiness, although exact behavior may vary depending on usage. This app may be useful for nursing students preparing for exams like the NCLEX or reviewing academic material. For users interested in combining video-based learning with practice testing and structured study plans, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.